Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word and using a simple template or blank document so formatting stays consistent. Set margins to 1 inch and pick an 11 or 12-point readable font. This ensures printed reports look professional. Create a header containing the training title, date, and your name to identify the file quickly. Once done, insert a title page and a short executive summary paragraph so readers see the outcome immediately. Make sure to save with a clear file name and version number. You now construct the report body by adding clear sections, objectives, agenda, activities, and outcomes so information is organized logically. Apply word heading styles to each section. This creates an automatic table of contents and speeds navigation. Insert tables for attendance and charts for evaluation scores to visualize results. Charts help stakeholders grasp trends at a glance. Once these are in place, write concise bullet summaries under each heading so busy readers can skim. You finish by proofreading, running words read aloud for flow, and adding page numbers so references stay stable. Export the final file to PDF for sharing and attach appendices with raw data or attendance logs for transparency. Once exported, double-check headings and the table of contents. If something looks off, update fields and resave. If formatting breaks, clear direct formatting from problem text and reapply heading styles. This fixes inconsistencies quickly and preserves the automated structure for future edits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.